Signing up for Questrade Plus is a straightforward process handled directly through your client portal. To begin, log into your Questrade account using a web browser. Once you are logged into your dashboard, navigate to the left-hand menu and select Questrade Plus, or alternatively go to the top navigation bar, open the Management tab, and click on Questrade Plus. On the Questrade Plus page, review the available benefits and click the button that says Try for free or subscribe. You will be prompted to select or confirm your preferred payment method. You can choose to pay directly using funds from your Questrade account balance or link a major credit card such as Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. Keep in mind that even if a promotional free trial period is active, a valid payment method must still be provided upfront to set up the subscription. Follow the remaining on-screen prompts to review the terms and conditions and finalize your registration. Once confirmed, your subscription becomes immediately active, granting you instant access to advanced features, expanded market data, and member perks. If you ever need to manage or modify your billing preferences, you can return to the Questrade Plus section under the Management menu at any time. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.